Izzy's here. Hi.
Hey, what's up?
This house is a beauty.
It's a fixer.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a 5-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1,640 square feet. We're right by the beach, and this is the worst house on the block. If we spent some more money inside and added a super high-end backyard, it could probably sell for $1.2 million, maybe even more.
1.2?
It's hard to believe looking at the outside, but it's a high-end area, so it's all about the location. Huh.
It's old, but it's clean.
The living room's a decent size, however, it's totally closed off from the rest of the house.
So I'm assuming bedrooms are that way, kitchen's over here. Here's the one thing that I care about with this house, is the size of this yard.
Well,
Well, there you have it.
oh.
See, the slope is what's killing the
Are
yard.
those steps going up to that shed?
Yeah, to do the work up there would cost a fortune.
And I wouldn't count on this wall retaining.
No, this would all have to go. And we need more space back here to do what we want with this yard. See, I feel like back here, I mean, this obviously is just taking up so much space. If there's a way to cut into this hill, this could actually be something. We need to really make it pop back here. Initially, we were thinking about doing a pool here. Not gonna happen. So we need to have an oversized spa. We want to add a barbecue area, a fire pit area.
And then also like a nice sitting area. Do you even have any idea what it would cost out here?
Get a bid from your landscaper, but I'm guessing about 100K.
It's a big project. Oh, kitchen's tiny.
The first thing that comes to mind is taking these walls out and having this entire space open. I'm assuming it's load bearing?
Yes.
How much?
You're looking about 15 to 20.
Not including any cabinets, whatever else we do.
Yes. Because we're going to do nicer finishes, right?
If it's gonna sell for $1 million plus,
Yeah.
high end.
Okay.
Ooh, scary bedroom. Needs a lot of work. Here's the bathroom. This is tiny. Look at this little sink. I feel like a giant. Bedroom number 2. It'll feel bigger once this is gone. Okay. Oh no.
What is this?
Oh no.
Technically, it's a bedroom, but they built a fake wall. This isn't a real bedroom. We'd have to tear down this wall. See, this looks like an addition.
Yes. There's no real master bedroom and there's no master bath.
Oh, there's not.
A house for $1.2 million has to have a master bedroom with its own private bath.
What if we made these 2 bedrooms into 1 room, and we make a master bath and turn the fake bedroom next door into a walk-in closet for the master? This house is listed as a 5-bedroom house with 1.5 baths, but there's no master suite. In order to make one, we turn the makeshift bedroom into a master closet, and we turn the 2 back bedrooms into the master suite. So we're actually turning a 5-bedroom house into a 3-bedroom house. Believe it or not, in this area, these changes will add value. If we were to gut this house, reconfigure walls, add the master bathroom, walk-in closet, how much do you think?
100 to 130.
For 1,600 square feet?
Well, it is a really high-end neighborhood and we need to go with expensive finishes throughout the house.
It's going to sell for $1 million, bro.
If it sold for $1 million, that's probably
Over $1 million.
well over $1 million. That's the plan.
We should hope so.
And that doesn't even include the cost of doing the yard. This is a big project.
Yeah.
All right, Izzy, let me get a bid from our landscape contractor and then I'll let you know.
All right.
What's really gonna sell this house is an amazing yard. So our plan is to move the hillside back and add a retaining wall in order to do all of the awesome stuff that we wanna do. So we met with our landscape contractor to go over the plans for the backyard.
Okay, guys, so you can kind of see what we've come up with here for a design. Where we're standing will be your spa. Our retaining walls in this area with really cool, big flat screen TV.
Sweet.
So you've got a built-in barbecue and then a smooth concrete countertop. For the patio, modern concrete with these great saw cuts to make that running pattern. And then half in the spa and half out of the spa, a fire pit.
And then in the area behind the master bedroom, we can put sod.
That's awesome. How much is it gonna cost for the back?
80 to 90,000 for the backyard.
And so what's the front?
Let's use that same concrete, and then we'll have some larger trees and some planting space. The front, you're probably looking around 40.
Based on the neighborhood and the amount of work we're doing here, I think it will increase the sales price by more than 150.
Let's do it. The backyard design looks awesome. So Chris is gonna show our plans to the city.
$130,000 for the yard and $130,000 for the house. This is a huge $260,000 remodel. This house is listed for $755,000. And if we got it for that, we'd be into the house for just over $1 million. But this beachside community is so hot right now, we can actually sell this house for $1.2 million, so we have to go for it.
A couple days later, the seller accepted our full price offer. This house is ours.
As the demo begins on the inside, our contractor has some news from the city on our plans to move the retaining wall back to expand the yard.
We're gonna have our retaining wall here. So the city says we have to have an engineer draw the plans. We have to have a soils test done. A soils test is gonna take about 6 weeks though.
What? 6 weeks?
And then the city has to approve the entire thing. So we may do all that work and the city could come back and say, no, you can't do it at all.
We own the house, so we have to hope that the city won't kill the backyard plans. In the meantime, we're moving forward with the remodel inside. To open up the floor plan, we're removing the wall between the kitchen and the living room. And because we're adding a bathroom in the master, we're turning the half bath off the kitchen into a pantry.
Israel.
Israel,
Hey,
this
guys.
looks like a different house, man.
It's all open.
So now we have a really big open kitchen. So I picked some materials that I think you're gonna love. Flooring throughout.
The entire house.
Yes, it's hardwood. The flooring's about 5,000 extra. And then the other materials I chose for the kitchen are about 10,000 extra. But you're gonna find that it's well worth it.
Okay.
I think it'd be cool here to do two-tone look. White flat panel cabinets for this back wall and this wall. This backsplash. Kind of a different take on a subway tile, a little more modern. This color counter. And then here you'd have a large gray island with the white prayer counters. White and gray, gray and white. What? What can you not like about that?
I just don't know about mixing quartz and marble, but we'll find out. All right, let's do it, Izzy.
We'll get it done.
All right, awesome.
And we're finally able to move forward with the backyard design because the city approved our plans to push the hillside back for a retaining wall. Amazing news.
Hey,
Oh, hey, honey.
the spa's looking good. The barbecue?
That's gonna be the barbecue. It's gonna look awesome when the concrete countertop's in. So by putting in the retaining wall, I think we added like 7 or 8 feet.
Yeah, it's actually like really big back here now. So we're gonna do a grass area over there.
Yes. So this is gonna be the first wall, then we're gonna have a planter, and then the second retaining wall is gonna go up to about right here.
All right, so we're almost done with this part. We need to gather materials and pour the concrete for the patio.
These are big slabs.
Whoa, that's a huge slab.
Got it.
That is the most beautiful specimen I've ever seen. Look at this kitchen. This house has come a long way.
Oh, it's phenomenal.
How do you feel about the backsplash?
Simple white subway, looks good. This is my favorite. It looks like a crystal countertop. Wow, the patio looks really good.
And I love the concrete counters on the barbecue. Things are moving along inside and the fireplace design is coming together, but I'm most excited to see what we did to the master suite. Bedroom looks huge. Check out the bathroom.
This is gonna be killer. So what do we want to do about design?
I was thinking doing like one of those more modern like vessel bathtubs. So we have a tub, a giant shower, a vanity, a separate toilet area. So check out the flooring. I've never used anything like this, but I think for a big bathroom like this, that'll look amazing.
Where does this go?
This against this whole wall right here, like a full marble wall. And then we can carry that marble look into the shower as well.
And then what's the shower pan?
That gives it kind of that like beachy modern look.
So this is the look. That is actually really, really cool.
Okay, so the marble's not cheap, and you got a full height wall, $2,500. The tub is another $3,000. Then you got your tub filler, which is another $1,500.
You want to spend an extra $7,000 in here right now? We better sell this house for a lot of money.
It's definitely gonna sell for a lot of money. This is like, extremely custom.
As nice as this house looks on the inside, we really want to make a statement with the curb appeal. So in the front, we're creating a sitting area surrounded by colorful succulents, pouring a modern saw-cut cement driveway to match the patio in the back. And we're installing super modern garage and front doors. Oh, this thing is cool. Look at this.
So cute.
Actually, this is gonna be fun for families. Kids are gonna love this. Almost.
So what are we in this house for?
This is the most we've ever spent. We bought the house for $755 and put just under $290,000 into it. After closing costs, our break even will be $1,089,500. And the highest comp is $1,125,000. But it came out spectacular. There's no other house that I've seen that has what we created here.
Nice house. It's beautiful.
I love the landscaping.
Look at the garage door, Maddie. Wow, the place looks great.
Yeah, we just
Yeah.
finished and we just put on the market today. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's about 1,600 square feet and we're listed at $1,199,000. So take a look around and just let us know what you think.
I like the quartz. In contrast to the marble, it looks so nice.
The kitchen island is huge and gorgeous.
I love this fireplace. Oh, looks really nice. Oh, look at the backyard.
Natural gas fire pit right next to your spa. When you live in sunny California, why not put the money in the outside,
Exactly.
right?
This is amazing. Look at this.
After a month on the market, we accepted a full price cash offer at $1.2 million. If this deal goes through, after our expenses and closing costs, we'll make over $106,000. Time to find another house to flip.